Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 6i, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's power off the device. Once it turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So it'll show up recovery mode right here in this faint lettering at the bottom, at which point you can let go of the power key and, well, volume down. And select our desired language. And there we go. So as you can see, we are now in the Realme recovery mode. And in here, you can navigate by simply clicking on whatever option you want to perform. And just to go over a couple of the options that are accessible here, we can wipe data, reboot the device, power it off, do an online update, or install from storage, again, update. Because there is one little thing that I'm going to go over in here, which is the wipe data option. If we go in here, disregard this code, it's completely normal. It's going to be always provided right here. So you simply need to type it in. There we go. So as you can see in here, you have two different options. We have wipe data and we have format data. Now, the reason why I went over in here is because there is a wipe data which probably most of you will go into if you're trying to perform a factory reset. Keep in mind, wipe data retains contacts, messages, and photos, which kind of makes it a little bit redundant of an option. So just try to remember that when doing this. Format data is the way you want to go if you're trying to have a freshly reset the device. So let's go back. So I want to leave this mode, so all I'm gonna do right now is select reboot and confirm that. There we go. And this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.